I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good directions on acoustic guitar. We will start by learning the essential open chords. Many players use a capo on the 3rd fret to match the original recording, which simplifies the chord shapes to G, C, and D. These 3 chords form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on clear, ringing notes for each chord and practice switching between them slowly at first. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and accuracy. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A basic down-down-up-up-down-up pattern works wonderfully for this song, giving it that classic country feel. Aim for a steady, 4-beat rhythm in each measure. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed. A loose wrist will help you maintain a smooth, consistent flow and prevent fatigue. Start slowly with a metronome to lock in your timing, gradually increasing the speed as you become more comfortable. The song structure is quite straightforward, typically following a verse-chorus pattern with a bridge. The verses often use a progression like G, C, and D, while the chorus might introduce an M or M for added flavor. Listen closely to the original recording to internalize the timing of each chord change. The bridge offers a slight variation in chords, providing a nice dynamic shift. Consistent practice of these sections will help you play the song seamlessly from start to finish. To truly master good directions, consistent practice is key. Always begin your practice sessions at a slow tempo, gradually increasing it as your fingers become more accustomed to the movements. Try singing along as you play. This helps with timing and connects the melody to your guitar playing. Listening to Billy Currington's original version will also inspire you and help you capture the song's authentic feel. Enjoy the process of learning this fun country tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.